What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I don't even know what we're going to be doing, but we're going to be doing bits on Ross's, on the RX-7 and that. I think the main thing I'm going to be doing is working out the steering on this, because basically on the full lock it sort of won't go to full lock. There's still like a gap between the stop and the angle, and it sort of starts to bind because the angle is too much. As you can see, I've tried grinding this down, but I've got these, I haven't got the original Wisefab top apps. I've got these which are from Wizard of Lock, but I believe it has to come over further to sort the angle out so that it doesn't bind. So, because the actual Wisefab top hats are on Ross's car, these, and as you can see, well, it's right over here somewhere, so I need to work out where it is and then see if I can move this one that far. Probably, if you see this, I'm probably gonna have to grind that in further, but obviously, nope, no one saw that, but further that way. So first things first is measuring the difference to where that one is and to where that one is, because that's the only thing that's been really annoying, not getting full lock and it binding. Do you mind? Keep it down over there. Georgie boy. Ducky boy. The steering wheel fell off, so. Yesterday, this is the pipe he's been waiting for. Quite difficult to find. Managed to get one from Garage D, £90. The only thing is the original one sort of came round and was here, so it was like right in the way of the downpipe. So yesterday we chopped it all up and then welded it so that it goes boom up, so it's out of the way of all the exhaust and everything. Obviously the Fuller's Motorsport slim shaft, not connected right now, but so now this is all getting, this can all go back together now basically. Once he's got that steering shaft back in, which is what he's doing now because he pulled the steering wheel off, or well, one day it was just on the floor, then we can put the exhaust manifold on and everything. Got the AM fitting down here ready for the oil feed for the turbo. His turbo actually arrived today from Ross. I'll put Ross's Instagram here. You'll probably see it in one of the next videos, but if anyone needs a Pulsar turbo, go message Ross. He can get you good deals and quick delivery on Pulsar, any Pulsar turbo you want. But yeah, and this thing, I'm still sanding bits down. It's a lot of sanding. I've also got all AN6 lines for the fuel lines for that. I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet or not, but I've got them just in case. In the next week or two, I'm gonna be polybushing the rear end on that, because the only thing left to do on that car is polybush the rear end, and it's been fine. There's not been any play, but the last time I drove it, it was like completely moving, so I was like, I'm not driving it anymore. So I've got all poly bushes, they're the almost solid ones, and I'm just waiting for the plates to weld on and stuff like that now.
Yes, get away from the nose, please.
They want to see the nose. What are you doing?
Health and safety.
Yeah, it's very health and safety. But yeah, let's crack on. Alright, so I've got the coilover out, and this gives you a better view of the top hat. Unfortunately, there's less meat there than I was hoping. I thought it would be more like this, but there's not much there, so I'll go a bit further, but I won't be able to go all the way. Yeah, it's going to be tricky. I think what I'm going to do, I'll do that. If that still don't work, I'm going to sell that kit. And I'll probably get the same one Ross has got on his, because it's been a bit of a headache. Right, so let's try that. I'll have to take the top hats off, so I have to wind the spring down. But Max Speed and Rod coilers looking fresh, and we also have some new ones over there that they sent us, so might as well put them on at the same time, because they're the T7 series, which are better for motorsport applications like drifting and that, where these are more sports street, so might as well put them on. Yeah. All right, so that's what I've done. Basically ground it out a bit further, give us a bit more adjustment. and yeah, gonna try that. I can't really go much further because it'll get too thin. It's about as far as I can go. So I think we gained about 1 centimetre, which is quite a bit on the top, so we'll try it out. There you go, the new Max Speed and Rod T7s. Also, if you go onto Max Speed and Rod's website, use code Fuller and it'll give you a discount on all their products. You can get turbos, coilovers, whatever you want. So grab yourself a bargain, great coilovers, go check them out. Now let's get this installed in there. All right, so yesterday we got the manifold on. It's not tight yet because these bolts down here are really tricky. You have to sort of modify a 14mm 12 point, which is what I had to do on that one as well, but we'll do that in a bit. Lovely titanium bolts will be available soon, maybe.
If you make the website.
Yeah, haven't got around to it. But Ross's turbo arrived as well, which is it's a PSR 3076 Gen 2, and this one has the T4 divided rear housing, which is what its manifold is. This is from Ross, so if anyone needs any Pulsar turbos, hit up Ross on Instagram. He will give you a good deal, and yeah, go check him out. But yeah, time to get this installed. Excited? This is the moment you've been waiting for, isn't it?
It's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah. It looks like an engine once you put the turbo on, but we're just going to mock it up today. We still have to tighten some bits, but need to see that on there. There you go. Check it out. Dual ceramic ball bearings. Lovely. It sounds so good as well. Yeah, he's got the T4. He's ordered all the fittings, water fittings and everything. It looks so good. So once you put a turbo on your build, it looks proper then. Before that, it just looks like you dumped something in, but once turbo's on, little snail.
Show me your snail and your... Oh.
Well, snail, it's a bit scabby. I got this the other day. It's Turbo, the snail. But yeah, it's all scabby at the moment, but yeah. All right. As you can see, we now have full lock. Oh, the key's not in, of course. Kind of. I think. I don't know. I'll test it out at some point. Huh? Wisefab is junk. Please sponsor me, Wisefab. I want FDF, mate. I think I'll see how I get on with this, and then I might have to do a little investment, but it's much closer than it was, as you can see, and it actually, like, I don't know, feels smooth. It's not bindy now. That's close.
Bitch and shit.
But yeah, look at the freshly new Max Speed and Rods T7s. Yeah, lovely. But yeah, I'll test this properly on a drift day in the next 3 or 4 weeks, I think it is. So but yeah, decent amount of lock for now. Jobs are good, mate. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you check out the link down in the description. Grab yourself some coilovers on the screen here. But yeah, I'll see you in the next week video where we're going to be making Ross's exhaust, I think it is. I think that's the videos right now. I have no idea now. But yeah, next thing on this is subframe getting Coilovers reinforced. So yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye.